Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect MySQL with Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you'll need to have Visual Studio Code installed on your PC. After that, we will need to open the control panel. Alright. So we have this one over here, we configure it and we will see that it's already configured. After that, we will do start MySQL and it will start. Okay, just move it. So first of all, we will need to stop it because we will go in Visual Studio Code and we will go on your left to extensions and we'll write MySQL. Okay, so it's this one, the second one. We need to install this extension. Give it a little time. Alright, so it's already done. Even if you write it over here, MySQL. Okay, it doesn't show here because, okay, so now it's installed. We need to go to control panel and start. See, it's already starting. If this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.